Today, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. Hyperlinks can make your presentations interactive and allow you to connect to websites, other slides, or even files. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly cover what a hyperlink is. A hyperlink is a clickable link that can take your audience to a different slide, a website, or a document. It's a great way to enhance your presentation and provide additional resources. Now, first things first, let's open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add the hyperlink. Now let's select the text where you want to turn into a hyperlink. Simply select it, right-click the selected text or image and choose Link from the context menu. In the dialog box, you can enter a URL or choose Place in this document to link another slide. For this tutorial, I'm going to be choosing a place in this document. Now here you can see various slide options. I'm going to be choosing one of these options and simply click on OK after what you've entered. Now when you present, clicking that text will take you to the specified link. Let's test it out. Now go to the slideshow tab and click on from current slide. Now click on your hyperlink text or image during the presentation. If everything is set up correctly, it should take you to the desired link or slide. And that's how you add hyperlinks in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.